While soundbars fall far off from the preferred choice for any gamer regarding the desktop setup, Razer continues to surprise the world yet again with a soundbar that's perfect for people who prefer not to wrap a headphone around their heads. Introducing the direct upgrade on Razer's Leviathan lineup, the Razer Leviathan V2 Pro. Unveiled at CES 2023, the V2 Pro has a lot of nifty tricks up its sleeve to make you think twice before investing in a headphone to experience spatial sound. How? Well, let's find out. The upgraded Leviathan V2 Pro was created with a combined partnership with THX and Audio Scenic, which should speak volumes about the capability of this soundbar. What's interesting is, Razer is claiming that the Leviathan V2 Pro can surround the user with 3D audio without requiring a headphone, and they do it by maintaining a delicate combination of beamforming surround sound with AI-powered head tracking technology. Other fancy features include a built-in IR camera that consistently keeps the user monitored, and with that data, assists the soundbar in optimizing the audio based on the listener's position in real time. The 3D audio originated from the Leviathan V2 Pro and comes with two modes available straight from the get-go. First up, you'll be getting THX Spatial audio called virtual headsets that allow you to somewhat mimic the experience you'd usually get from headphones that support THX Spatial audio and other high-performance upper-echelon soundbars that rely on phantom speakers to fill up the environment, much like a full-fledged home theater system. Additionally, as you already expect from any product that has a Razer logo embedded on it, it comes with that signature customizable chroma RGB lighting effect across 30 different lighting zones, which is an instant upgrade over the 18 zones you'd be getting from its predecessor, the Leviathan V2. The Razer Leviathan V2 Pro comes with a dedicated subwoofer to enhance the bass output alongside two separate dedicated 3.5mm inputs for the subwoofer and headphones respectively. Additionally, you'll be getting access to a power adapter port and a single, easy and intuitive USB-C port to connect to your PC. However, if you're the kind of person who gets frustrated with wiring and wants to avoid getting tangled at all costs, the Leviathan V2 Pro comes with solid support for Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to connect seamlessly to your computer or mobile devices. However, the one thing aside from the unique features and signature Razer lighting effects, the price is going to put a lot of people in a state of discomfort and at times borderline disappointment. And for good reason, since the upgraded Leviathan V2 Pro has a starting price of $399. Doesn't sound that bad to someone who's not familiar with Razer pricing, but here's the thing. See, the standard Leviathan V2 from Razer will cost you about $250, while another variation of the lineup dubbed Leviathan V2X will cost you only $99 while having some extra ports at your disposal. Yes, we get it, Razer finally introduced a 3.5mm jack for headphones in the Leviathan V2 Pro, and it's a welcome addition considering both previous variants lack the feature, but paying a solid $400 for a soundbar that does not come with an HDMI input and HDMI output or ARC port is nothing less than disappointing. However, if you do feel like going forward, the Razer Leviathan V2 Pro is up for grabs starting from February 2023. Do let us know your impression, thoughts, and what you liked and didn't like, and start a discussion in the comment section down below, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.